Hi, it's Robin from Raincross Farms Makery, and today I want to show you how to make this beautiful wood bead star. So let's get started.
I'm going to start with some wooden beads. These are 12 millimeter. You need 25 of them for a 5-pointed star. You'll also need some beading string. I'm just using dental floss and a long thin needle. I'm going to pull out about 1.5 yards of that dental floss and thread it through my needle. For a 5-pointed star, I'm going to start with 10 beads, string them on to my floss. If you wanted to do a 6-pointed star, you would start your center with 12 beads. I'm going to leave about a 6-inch tail, and I'm going to tie my ends together, tying those beads into a circle. Now I'm going to take that needle, I'm going to go through the first bead. Doesn't matter if you're working towards the right or towards the left. And I'm going to add 2 beads at a time onto my needle. I'm going to skip that next bead and then thread my needle through the next bead. So skip one, thread it through. It should look like that. And then repeat the process. 2 more beads. Skip the next bead in the row and thread through the next one. 2 beads. Skip a bead and thread it through the next one. You'll continue that till you have 5 of those little protrusions, or if you wanted to make a 6-point star, you would repeat that till you had 6. Now I'm just using the natural color beads. You could use colored beads, you could paint them, whatever kind of a star you would like to make. Okay, so when I've got to this point, I'm going to go through the next bead, and now I'm going to attach 1 bead in between the beads from the last row. So I'm going to go through the next bead, then I'm going to go down to the bead that's in that original circle, back up the bead next to it, attach a single bead, go down all the way back to that center circle and then back up the point and continue that all the way around. And when I'm finally done, go back to that center circle, tie the 2 ends together securely. Just a couple of overhand knots. And then I'm going to take the needle and I'm going to hide the ends by weaving them through several of the beads in the pattern. Snip off that one end. Take my original end, thread it through the needle, and just weave that through so it gets hidden among the beads. You can put a hanger, you can use a ribbon or some jute, whatever you want to hang it, and there you go, voila! Follow us at Raincross Farms Makery on Facebook and YouTube.